Peugeot 405, original diesel, 64-1995. Brand new, original Peugeot engine, original book, second owner, accident-free car, no corrosions, paint 90%, roof need to be repainted, AC working, engine overhaul done, injector pump replaced, brake booster replaced, radiator replaced, all lights, meters working, outer CV joints, shock absorbers, mounts replaced, 2 shutter windows not working properly, all details included. Please read the description and call 07755 57496, 07623 52716, 127500. Rupees, please subscribe Anchorage LK.